Okay.
Okay.
Highway name,
Highway.
and I'm
I walk. I'm Kai. I'm Olivia. So today we are gonna be Fruit Squad.
Yeah.
I
We're gonna 1v1.
Yeah, because the other Fruit Squad let us.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay, dito ka na. No, we're in, bro.
I know, right? I was literally inside. How dare you step on my feet?
So, ako na dito.
Olivia.
Gusto, gusto mo magsayaw, Rian?
Okay.
Tayo.
Sayaw.
Sasayaw na tayo. Sasayaw na tayo. Sasayaw na tayo.
What? Sharon.
I'm Mer, guys. So should I? So please, guys, pray for me. I need a victory.
No, guys, pray for me. I need to start din. Kasi I don't know.
What? Yes, thank you guys for praying for me.
Bro, no one prayed for you.
What? Hi, I'm Olivia, and then Rian is just being AFK for absolutely no reason.
No, I'm literally moving.
Like and subscribe if you want us to have good aim.
Yeah. Go.
Why I Saan ka?
Guys, thank you for praying for me.
No! Don't pray for me. Guys, look po kayo
Okay, guys, that's all for today. Only been 3 minutes, but that's fine. Bye.